But first, the continuing power crisis in the capital, and despite the centre stepping in yesterday promising immediate relief, power cuts continue unabated across Delhi.
That's right. With temperatures rising, so did tempers. In Zafrabad, in the capital, demonstrations against these outages took a very violent turn. Just take a look at those pictures we are trying to show you. Protesters set ablaze a bus and indulged in vandalism as well. Now, yesterday, the centre had finally stepped in to resolve that crisis to firefight. We were told that GAIL India is diverting some of the gas allotted to power producer NTPC to Delhi's Bhavana plant. The gas will help the plant produce an additional 400 megawatt, which we were told would ease the situation in Delhi. Power from Bhavana was expected to start flowing in from last night. The Power Minister Piyush Goyal in a press conference said this would happen by 9 o'clock at night. Seems that didn't happen. These decisions are being taken, were taken in fact at a meeting yesterday chaired by the Power Minister. He'd set a 10-day deadline to restore all transmission lines that had been damaged by a storm on May 30th. We were told that it was this damage that was causing as much as 6-hour power outages in some parts of the capital. We have Sahil Meghani getting us some more details on that story.
हमारा एसी फूक रहे हैं, हमारे फ्रिज फूक रहे हैं, बच्चे रात को सो नहीं पाते, मच्छर इतने होते हैं.
If a relentless heat wave wasn't enough to make life miserable in the national capital region, making matters worse are prolonged power cuts.
बची हुई सब्जियां, जो भी खाने पीने का सामान है, सब खराब हो रहा है.
सुबह आती है कि 3 बजे लाइट आती है, उसके बाद फिर 1 घंटे रहने के बाद फिर चले जाती है. न पानी भर पा रहे, इतनी दिक्कत हो रही है, बच्चों के पेपर चल रहे हैं, वो भी नहीं हो पा रहा है.
As tempers boiled over, the central government stepped in, calling a high-level emergency meeting. Power Minister Piyush Goyal has now promised quicker action.
We will work 24/7 and get them up and about, latest within 2 weeks. Internal deadline is 10 days.
NTPC will provide gas to urgently create additional power from the plant in Bhavana. Key electricity lines will be restored within 10 days. Delhi government will daily issue a bulletin on the progress of restoration work too. But while the complete restoration is not likely for some time, the political parties are busy trading charges.
The real crux, the real constraint that is causing such agony to the citizens of Delhi is clearly the lack of decision making, the lack of investment in infrastructure.
जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार केंद्र में है, वो गंभीरता से इसको हल करने का और रास्ता निकालने का कोई उपाय सोचे.
Power outages over and above an intense heat wave, a combination that's becoming unbearable for people, with officials making it clear that there's not going to be any respite soon as far as power supply getting back to normal is concerned. People are not just angry but disappointed as well. With Bharat Bhushan in New Delhi, this is Sahil Murli Meghani.
And Meenakshi Preeti now joins us from East Delhi to get latest from the situation on the ground there. Meenakshi, yesterday the Power Minister promised an additional 400 megawatts of power that would be made available by last night, but the situation hasn't improved on the ground at all.
Yes, Pallavi, yesterday we saw the Power Minister Piyush Goyal come out and say that they will give power to the Bhavana plant. They will basically give gas from GAIL to the Bhavana plant to generate extra 400 megawatt of electricity. Yesterday we got an update from the Power Ministry that gas has been made available to Bhavana. In fact, as we do know that there is a requirement of around 5,800 megawatts, whereas Delhi gets only around 5,300 megawatts, leaving a shortage of around 400 to 500 megawatts. But despite the promises, has anything changed on ground? I have some residents of East Delhi with me. Let's ask them. मैम, आपसे पूछा जाए, आप ये कल्याणपुरी से आती हैं. कल आपके यहाँ रात को लाइट गई. पावर मिनिस्टर ने बोला कि 9 बजे से सिचुएशन इंप्रूव होगी. रात के 9 बजे के बाद लाइट गई क्या?
हाँ जी.
कितनी गई, क्या गई बताइए?
5-6 बारी गई है लाइट.
कितने घंटे लाइट गई?
2-2 घंटे की लाइट गई है.
तो कल रात को लाइट रही आपके यहाँ पे?
नहीं रही है.
बिल्कुल लाइट रही
नहीं.
क्या परेशानी हुई कल?
नींद पूरी नहीं होती.
अच्छा, आप कह रहे हैं
ड्यूटी वाले हैं और ड्यूटी वाले हैं, नींद पूरी नहीं होती.
राइट. मैम, आप यहीं रहती हैं मयूर विहार में. कल रात को आपके यहाँ लाइट गई नहीं गई?
लाइट गई थी हमारे यहाँ भी. रात को 10:30 बजे गई है और 11:30 बजे आई है लाइट. और रात को इतना टेम्परेचर हाई जा रहा है कि रात को बिना लाइट से प्रॉब्लम आ रही है बहुत ज्यादा.
राइट. पर सिर्फ 1 घंटा लाइट गई.
हाँ, कल रात को 1 घंटा गई है, लेकिन उससे पहले फ्रीक्वेंटली जाती रही है लाइट।
Okay.
हाँ।
आपसे पूछा जाए, you also live around here.
Yeah.
Piyush Goyal yesterday said that one of the major reason was transmitters नहीं चल रहे थे.
हाँ.
So आप बताइए कि आपको यकीन है इस तरह के reasons पे कि इतने टाइम में भी ट्रांसमीटर ठीक नहीं हो पाए?
I don't think so, because storm आए हुए तो कितने दिन हो गए हैं, लेकिन अभी तक ट्रांसमीटर ठीक नहीं हुआ। I don't think it is possible, because लाइट जाने से डेली हमें इतनी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, हम लोग प्रॉपरली स्टडीज नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, इतना प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट कर रही है सिचुएशन हमें कि इट्स रियली वेरी इम्पॉसिबल, एंड द रीजंस आर, you can't say this type of reason.
Okay, if I was to ask you, did you also see power outages yesterday?
Actually, basically I'm from out of the state also, but I am studying also. Like now, I'm living before to 1 month also, so that I had a lots of problem in Lakshmi Nagar also. So I'm living.
कितनी लाइट गई कल रात को?
So शायद मैं आपको बता सकता हूँ 2 या से 3 घंटे लाइट डेली जा रही है वहाँ पे।
कल रात को गई 2-3 घंटे।
हाँ जी, उससे पहले भी लाइट डेली जा रही है रात के टाइम, और इतनी सफोकेशन होती है कि मतलब हाँ, हर स्टूडेंट्स को प्रॉब्लम्स ही होती है वहाँ पे कि पढ़ाई प्रॉपर नहीं कर, पढ़ने के लिए हम यहाँ पे आते हैं और वो लाइट नहीं होती है वहाँ पे।
So we just heard it from the people. Despite promises by the Power Minister Piyush Goyal, the people all ground say that not much has changed.
All right, Meenakshi, yes, not much has changed on the ground. Can India ever overcome its power crisis is the question. We'll leave it there for the moment. Thanks very much for joining us, Meenakshi, and we are getting you part of that debate that played out from India at 9.
Do you really believe, or do you really buy that argument that this difference in temperature would really make a significant change in demand as far as Delhi is concerned?
Absolutely, it does make a tremendous amount of difference in demand. It pushes the peak over a much longer period, and worse actually, what happens is that the transformers don't get a time to cool down, both on account of additional load, so they're operating at 90%, and two, on temperature grounds also, if the day and the night is so hot that the transformer needs to cool down, it doesn't cool down, and therefore can break down far more easily.
I think Mr. Sina already mentioned about the scenario in Delhi, but pan India, if you look at the existing scenario, most of the distribution utilities need to have a very comprehensive power procurement planning in place.
You know, if you ask me what the big problem is, I'd say it's simply answered in 3 words: investment, investment, investment. But if you went to the sort of the detail of that response, it would mean that our problems begin with issues like coal supply, and they go all the way to transmission losses. There is a bailout that is currently underway with state transmission companies to reduce the 2 trillion rupee debt hangover on these companies, and that has only met with partial success. It is taking very, very long to work through this. So our state electricity boards, our state electricity transmission companies are all suffering under lots of debt.
But even as that blame game continues, remember the one suffering the most is a common man who's having to bear this brunt of this power crisis.
जिस तरीके से समर एक्शन प्लान बनना चाहिए था, उस पे अरविंद केजरीवाल या उनके साथियों ने कतई ध्यान नहीं दिया, और जिसका खमियाजा आज दिल्ली के लोग भुगत रहे हैं। 20 दिन पहले बनी सरकार आम आदमी भारतीय जनता पार्टी की, उनके मंत्री जिस तरीके से आज बात कर रहे हैं, पीयूष गोयल जी, मैं समझता हूँ ना तो उनको दिल्ली के बारे में जानकारी है, ना नॉलेज है।
हम लोगों की एक आवश्यक बैठक हुई है श्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के साथ, और कल श्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी से समय मांगेंगे दिल्ली की बिजली के संकट को दूर करने के लिए, उनसे मिलने के लिए, उनसे दिल्ली वासियों की बिजली की समस्या का समाधान करने के लिए समय मांगेंगे।